Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to settings the Streamlabs desktop to the highest quality stream. So after you download the Streamlabs desktop, all you need to do is go to this one, settings, and we go to output here. In output mode, choose advanced, and then in streaming here, you see this switch for you left it like this, and for encoder, make sure you choose this one, NVIDIA NVENC, new one, this one. But if you want to use the CPU, go to software here. It's gonna make it even better, but I suggest you use this one. And for streaming service encoder settings, click for rate control. I personally use CBR, constant bit rate, and also for the bit rate, it really depends on your internet upload speed. For me, I'm going to use 6,000 and it's really good. Or you even go like 10,000 if you have a really good internet upload speed. For keyframe interval, leave it 0. And for preset, there's many options here. Go to quality, but if you have like dual monitor, dual PC, or even high-end PC, you can go for max quality, but I choose here quality. And for profile, I choose high. Look ahead, don't check this. For psycho-visual tuning, mark it. And for GPU, leave it 0, max speed frames 2. And after that, you go to the video here. And for base, this is also depends on your monitor. In my case, I only have 1080 resolution. And also for this output scale, this is gonna what your viewers gonna have when watching your streams. So leave it highest as possible here. And for the downscale filter, make sure to choose the lens source here. If you choose bilinear, it's gonna make your stream kind of blurry, so I don't recommend this one. Go here for FPS type, common FPS values, and also common FPS values here. If you play like FPS games, Valorant, CSGO, go for 60 or 59, okay? But if you play casual game, you can go for 30 FPS, it's fine. Okay, that's it guys. Alright, that's all guys. I'm sorry for my English, but I really hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video.